Good morning, everybody. So, in the previous video, we have discussed some important questions of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So, today we discuss the next part, that is from question number 16 to 25 questions. So, let us see first question. See, what is the first question here? So, 16 question. The general molecular formula which represents the homologous series of alkanols. So, here he has given the alkanols. First, we should understand what is alkanol. Alkanol means alkane plus alcohol. We collectively call it as alkanol. Alkane plus alcohol. So, it becomes alkanol. So, we have the general formula, that is for alkane CnH2n plus 2 is there. CnH2n plus 2. Then alcohol formula we have OH formula. Alkanol we have OH. So then what happens it is, what is the formula here? So 2n plus 1 is there. So 2n plus 1 OH is there. When we add this H to this one, so it becomes CnH2n plus 2. Then this is O. See, CnH2n. Similar to haloalkane, we have CnH2n plus 1 X. So similarly we have CnH2n plus 1 OH here. CnH2n plus 1 OH, the functional group. So when we add, so these are similar hydrogen, therefore we add this hydrogen here, H2n plus 1. So that is 2n plus 2. Then oxygen is there, therefore it is CnH2n plus 2O. See here there are four options are there. First option is CnH2nO2. Second option is CnH2nO. Third option is CnH2n plus 1O. Then CnH2n plus 2. Then O. That is oxygen is there. So what is the correct answer here? The correct answer for this question is D. CnH2n plus 2 O. CnH2n plus 2 O is there. So next question, we have the halogenation of alkanes is. So halogenation means just addition of halogens to the compound. So here it may be chlorination, it may be bromination. So we can add the fluorination. So here we are adding the halogen atoms. See, for example, Cl we are adding. Cl is a electronegative atom, Cl. So it comes under, so in the periodic table it will come in the right side of the periodic table. So it is electronegative. So when we add this one, so that we call it as a process. Which process is it? Is it a oxidative process or reductive process? So that concept is given here. There are four options: reductive process, oxidative process, isothermal process, endothermic process. See here, reductive process means here we should remove the electronegative atom. There are 3 to 4 definitions are there for reduction. So reduction means addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, gain of electrons, and removal of the electronegative atom. But here we are adding the electronegative atom. Halogenation means we are adding the electronegative atom, or addition of oxygen, addition of removal of the hydrogen, loss of electron, or addition of the electronegative atom. So that is halogen. Chlorination. So it is a oxidative process. So isothermal process is completely different. Isothermal means it neither allows the energy or any matter, so that there is no exchange takes place here. So that is isothermal process. Then endothermic means when it is absorbed from the surrounding to the system, so that we call it as a. These options are completely different here, but the relevant answer for this question is oxidative process. So halogenation of alkanes is a oxidative process. Then 18th question, we have which of the following is responsible for depletion of ozone layer? So for the first time ozone layer was observed by the Charles Fabry. So scientist, name of the scientist Charles Fabry. So the ozone layer is very important, that contains the molecule that is O3. So here, what is the question here? Which is the responsible for the depletion of ozone layer? So there is formation of holes. It is because of the following compound, that is it in polyhalogen or DDT or chloroform or freon? What is the correct answer here? So polyhalogen is different, dichloromethane, maybe trichloromethane, that is chloroform, iodoform. So here they have given DDT, so diphenyl trichloroethane. It is not responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. So chloroform, CaCl3, it is also not relevant. So the correct answer for this depletion of ozone is freon. So example for freon is CF2Cl2. Difluoromethane is the IUPAC name of the compound, that is freon. So this contains the chlorine. So that chlorine is very reactive. So that damages the ozone layer. That depletes the ozone layer. So next question we have. So next question number 19 we have. So C3H8 plus Cl2 in presence of light. So this is the propane, when reacts with the chlorine in presence of light, formation of propyl chloride with the hydrochloric acid forms. So it's an example of the substitution reaction, elimination reaction, so addition reaction, then rearrangement reaction. So which of the following is a type of reaction? Which type of reaction it is? So they have given 4 options. So see here it is propane. So given the reagent chlorine, so chlorine reacts with the propane. So here there is a replacement of H by the Cl. See, totally there are a number of hydrogen 8. So here the number of hydrogen is 7. One of the hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine atom. That means it is a definitely it is not a addition reaction, it is not a elimination reaction, it is not a rearrangement reaction, but it is a substitution reaction. We have substituted hydrogen by the chlorine atom, therefore it is a substitution reaction. Then next question, RX, that means haloalkane, reacts with the sodium hydroxide, formation of alcohol, so ROH plus sodium halide. So the above reaction is option A, electrophilic substitution reaction, option B, nucleophilic substitution reaction, option C, reduction, option D, oxidation. See here, one reaction is given, already we have discussed it. So haloalkane reacts with the sodium hydroxide, formation of alcohol. So here there is a nucleophile, not electrophile. So electrophile is electron deficient species. Here it is nucleophile, it is electron rich species. So this is not a electrophilic substitution reaction. So OH replaces the X here, forming NaX as the byproduct. So OH replaces here, forming the alcohol. So this is not a electrophilic substitution reaction, it is not a reduction, it is not a oxidation. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So next question. So next question we have 21. So the product formed in Woods reaction is, so Woods reaction is related to, as I have told, it is related to haloalkane. So next Woods fitting reaction is related to haloalkane and halorine. So fitting reaction is related to only halorine. So here the product formed may be hydrocarbon, alcohol, or it is phenol or ether. Which is the correct one? So when in Woods reaction, when haloalkane RX reacts with the sodium, so 2 moles of haloalkane reacts with 2 moles of Na. So in presence of dry ether, what happens? So these 2 moles of NaX forms then formation of the RR. That means it is a hydrocarbon. There is a formation of hydrocarbon, then sodium halide forms. So the correct answer for this one is the hydrocarbon. It is a hydrocarbon. So next we have which of the following is a formula of chloroform? So the question is very simple, but sometimes you may confuse. So here CH2Cl2 is there. Option B CCl4, option C CHCl3, option D C6H6Cl6 is there. That means BHC. So that is C6H6Cl6. So here this is dichloromethane. So it is not a chloroform. So here it is a carbon tetrachloride is there, CCl4. But it is very clear that CHCl3, if 3 chlorine atoms attached with the carbon with 1 hydrogen, then we call it as the carbon tetrachloride, carbon trichloride or trichloromethane, or it is a chloroform. It is widely used in the medical field, in the field of medical, so it is very, very important. And also it acts as a solvent. So C6H6Cl6 is related to BHC, benzene hexachloride. So next we have, which of the following is a catalyst used in Darjan's process? Darjan's process or preparation of haloalkane by using the thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. So here we can prepare haloalkane by using SOCl2. So what is the catalyst is the question. Which catalyst we have used? So it is a direct question. It is not a sulfuric acid. So directly I am writing this. Pyridine is the correct answer. You have to remember it. So pyridine, it acts as a catalyst in Darjan's process while the preparation of the haloalkane. Okay. So next we have phosgene. So remember it. Phosgene is a common name for option A phosphonyl chloride, thionyl chloride, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide and carbonyl chloride. So these are the options. Phosgene, many times asked it is. So it is not a POClC, phosphonyl chloride. It is not a thionyl chloride. It is not a mixture of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. It is a carbonyl chloride. Carbonyl chloride or carbonyl dichloride is also known as phosgene. This is a common name for phosgene, that is carbonyl chloride, COCl2. Then last one we have Lucas reagent. It is also many times asked question, and don't confuse it because similar options they are giving. Similar options there may be concentrated, so diluted, concentrated HCl, dilute HCl. So concentrated then anhydrous zinc chloride, or it may be hydrous zinc chloride. So this type of questions are very confusing. Answers are simple, but when we observe these options, it becomes somewhat confusion. So there is my difficulty. So Lucas reagent is, so option A concentrated HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride. So option B concentrated nitric acid and zinc chloride, concentrated sulfuric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. So option D, none of these. So the correct option. So this type of questions you have to remember. Keep in mind that so concentrated HCl and anhydrous, not hydrous, it is anhydrous zinc chloride. It is not dilute. So concentrated hydrochloric acid. So these are some questions, some of the important questions we have discussed. So later, this is the first part. First means some easier questions. It's not neither too difficult question, not too easy question. It is a moderate question. So in the next video or next part, I am going to select some difficult questions. Those questions has been asking in your IIT, maybe in JEE. So some difficult questions I am picking. So these are very important, some common questions they have asked in KCET, most probably in KCET, and sometimes there may be NEET examination. So please remember and keep on practice some question papers, and also these are some important questions, and keep more focus on these questions. These are important questions. Thank you.